Hey creators! In this video we are going to explore a great collection of flexible and creative WordPress theme to promote your software business, app development, SaaS landing or a startup business. So if you are planning to create a stunning website for your business or for your client's project, this video can really help you. We have 27 beautiful handcrafted designs to start with this theme that we are going to discuss in this video, and we are going to take a deep dive in this theme. And this is Martex. So Martex is a theme for software development firm, SaaS and startup landing pages, and it comes with automatic AI content writer. Okay, great. So I'm ready with this core and fresh installation of WordPress, and I'm using the latest WordPress 7.1, which we got yesterday. And this latest release of WordPress brings multiple features to make WordPress CMS the strongest CMS on this globe, right? Okay, so now what we are targeting, we are going to create a fully responsive website that is going to use Elementor and Bootstrap, and we have internal pages as well. So I'll show you some layouts that can help you understanding the layout and the design patterns. So this is really very interactive. So you can see this is a modern look. Again, we have some other layouts that you can target. Yes, it is really very good. And this one is another. So we have multiple choices, and we can start exploring the theme features by installing it, of course. So I got the theme pack. In the theme pack I have the installable theme file, the child theme and the documentation part. So we will start here by uploading the theme, installable theme file. Just select martex.zip and hit on install now. This is not a technical thing. You can do it at very easily, and you don't need any developer support for doing all these things. So install all the plugins that is listed here. I can see the navxt breadcrumb is here, and the control email subscriber, it is also good. And control user profile, Elementor is the page builder, and JT Elementor's WooCommerce is also included just in case you are planning to make an e-commerce website. Contact form 7 is here. The control blog patterns, one click demo import, and solid share. So all great plugins that we can see, and I'll select install and hit on apply. This will hardly take few seconds in installing all the listed plugins here, and it all depends on your hosting, what you are using. So you can also go for hosting and domain if you have yet not taken through the WP Themes website. All the links have been given in the video description. And for choosing this theme or any other theme, you need to watch the insights video so that you may understand the theme features completely before you go for buying it actually. So it is important, and you have hundreds of themes on this channel itself. I'm sure you are a regular visitor of this channel and watching the videos. If not, simply join the video by subscribing the channel, or it is a good idea to join the iCreate program, which is a completely free program where you can get all the support and help for your WordPress website. Free means onboarding is free, rest our services are paid. Yes, you can ask questions live here. You can start your website just for 500. Yes, so you can explore the pricing, you can explore the yours program, what actually it is, and if you have any question, you can simply connect a mentor here. Okay, so I'll come back here. All the plugins had been installed. I can see all green marks, and the confirmation is here. All installation has been completed. We can go to the plugin installer screen. We are back on this screen, and this time I'll select activate and activate all the installed plugins in one go. It is a very simple process, and I'm sure you can do this at your own. You don't need any developer support for doing everything. So AI quick setup tutorial is here. So what is this? About the streamline WordPress experience AI content creation. This is for AI content creation, but yes, we can go for this okay, so no worries. So this is about the AI content creation. We can do it later, and this is welcome page for Elementor, so we can go for Elementor. Skip, 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 and Elementor is also active now. So we are using free Elementor. It is not like premium thing. I am hiding something. I never used to hide things when I am featuring the themes, plugins, and how to guides, so that you may get a very clear idea what exactly you are going to face, how you are going to proceed, and how you can complete all at your own. So my main objective is to give you a insight of every theme, every steps, so that you may do all things at your own without any technical knowledge. Okay, great. So now we have some new navigations. I can see AI automatic. Okay, AI motic. Okay, and some new navigations, and we can proceed further for the next step. As of now, we have installed the theme with all set of plugins, and here is the look of our website. At the next step, we are going to import a demo content so that we may create a demo website like we discussed in the beginning of this video. So we have all the choices. So you have all these. You can choose any of these. What is suitable for your project, what you require for your business or client, of course. So I'm just exploring. Okay, just all layouts are very good and stunning. I guess so. I have this. So I'll go with this default one. However, like I'll choose. Okay, so this can be good, but I'm going with this one. So my choice is this. So I'm going to import demo. I chosen this just randomly, and now we are importing the content. It is going to take a while depending upon your internet speed and host speed. So show your patience here and don't disturb the process. And if you really want to check, open the media library in another tab, and it should show some images here. So if you are getting images here, it means the demo import process is going fine, and you are going to get a complete demo website that you can start customizing once we complete the installation. All right, so demo import process is complete, and this is a clear indication. And first of all, I'll check my new website that I chosen, and it should be here. Yes, it is. Oh, it was so simple to install the theme, and I got this complete demo website that I can proceed for customizing the content and all. So it is more than easy. And features we have, so internal pages. Yes, so we have internal pages, and there are many in fact. And if we talk about the media contents, what was included in the demo, and all the real images had been included. So we have yes, multiple. Great. So now we can proceed for customizing, and it was a great experience in installing this theme, and I'll show you the options that you can use for customizing your website and adding content or adding features, what is available here. I can see we have the blog patterns first of all that we can use for adding new blogs at the website. However, it is not being used at the layout that I have selected, but yes, this feature is here. Similarly, we have portfolios to handle the portfolio section, visible portfolio on the front end of the website, careers to showcase the career options on the website. Okay, so these are the career section. So you can handle all the content through these sections respectively. Just in case if you are planning to make an e-commerce website, the WooCommerce is well integrated here. So you can start uploading your products, and you will be fine to launch your e-commerce website along with the base website, of course. So what I'll do, Okay, great. And so like this is for yes, so now it is fine. You can add new products and new categories as we generally do in an e-commerce website. Next we have nothing special, but yes, AI O-Matic is here. If you want to generate your content using AI models, so it is here, but you need to insert a purchase code here, which is not included. The Envato purchase code to activate the plugin and your purchase code. Okay, so you can use your same Envato purchase code that you used, that you got at the purchase of the theme pack. Now the thing is that how to content the front end of the website. Mm, so it is going to be pretty simple. Just need to select the page, open the page that you want to edit, and hit on edit with Elementor. You'll be able to edit all the contents that is visible on the front end of the website. So Elementor is very easy to use page builder, and I'm sure you'll be able to do all the changes at your own. Just select the area that you want to change, like if you want to change the image, if you want to change the text, go to the respective section, and you can also use the navigator, go to the respective section. Okay, what you have to keep in mind, just use the same dimension of image or almost same length of text content so that you may maintain the design integrity of the website. Okay, all right. So just in case if you need any support, how iCreate can help you. You just need to buy the theme through the video description link at themeforest.net. You need to spend $39 for this theme pack. You'll get the quality check by Envato, the future updates, 6-month support from the theme developer itself. In addition to this, you'll be able to join the iCreate program for free, where you'll get a mentor support to make your website, to launch your website in every manner. Further, you can also explore the plans, like if you want a digital transformation, you want a digital success program. So we have everything. You can explore the solutions and the services what you want for your existing website or new website for your client website, and you can explore the pricing as well. So if you are not intended to uh, put much money, or you have a very tight budget, you can start your website just for $4.99 per month. So it includes everything, and layouts and hosting, even the domains if you are choosing the yearly plan. So it would be a great experience while you will create your website using WordPress and iCreate WP Hub, and you'll get a complete full-featured business website in no time, of course. So let us meet in the next video, where I'm going to bring more useful things for your business websites, for your business automation, and everything that you may need for your client projects or for your own business. Thank you very much. Let us meet in the next video. Thank you.